Okay, hey guys, this is Ethan, and today we'll be learning how to animate, and we'll be animating this sword right here. So once you're done with the video, your sword should have highlights, and you should be able to see a fiery effect on the sword. This is what it could look like when you're done. So let's get into the video. Okay, hello. So today we'll be making a sword, and we'll be animating that sword. So to make it a little easier and quicker today, I already made the sword, so I'll just copy and paste the pieces on. And so you can do that right now. Pause the video, make your own, whatever you're trying to make, a sword, right? If you want to just try it out. So we have that, and then to put some like highlights onto our weapon, we're gonna make a new layer. Let's delete this one. These. So you add a new layer, click add layer, and you can edit the layer properties, and we'll rename it to light, and we'll turn down the opacity so it's see-through, but it's still visible. So you'll still be able to see the sword, but it'll have highlights. So like here we got this, and I'm sorry. So we'll put the white color in there, and could expand it a little bit. Put another one like right there, and then we'll just fill it in. So it'll still have the highlight, and there you can see it looks as highlights like there's shining from the light. You can add another layer. Call this one dark, and we can make the tip of the sword darker. So I'll just take this one, and then I'll add it right there. And then see it has dark, and it has a little gray. Then it goes to the shine. And then let's delete that. I'm sorry. So copy this frame, and you can paste a bunch of them. And then if you want to make your sword like fiery, we can go ahead, add another layer. We're gonna name this one fire, fire, and then now we'll just keep that like say right about there. And we'll have to drag this one all the way to the bottom so it's below all the other highlights, all the other layers. And then we can go up and say like maybe get a circle here, get the bigger one, and then we'll start this animation right here, and we'll get the base of the fire going. So I can go like, and then this it'll add it to each frame that the frame is on. So while it's animating, it's adding a circle to each frame if you hold down the click button. So this will allow it to like for you to do it as if you're doing it in real time, basically, instead of having to go through each and every frame. You can just add a bunch of these colors, make it look like it's firing, and then you can like take away, so it makes it look like it's like like spazzing, like it's the fire's going out for a second, it's flashing. Just take little bits and pieces away so it's not just circles. So as you get your fire going, you should start to have a flaming sword. So then you could use this for anything. Like I've made a health pack in the past, in the path, sorry, and it'll be floating, and then it'll have colors glinting around it, and it'll have like a blue glow coming out of it, and it'll just be animating the whole game. So you can stop your animation there, and then like right here you can change how fast it animates, how many frames, and speed it up. There's 30 frames a second, going even faster. So yeah, you could do that, and it'll be easier to animate. But now it's a little spazzy, as you can see. But yeah, that's how you animate. And then right here you can change this to per game frame or just per second. And then yeah, you can change your game frames up in the game options and stuff. But that's how you animate. Good luck.